Did you know Delhi recorded the highest number of dowry death cases among Indian metropolitan cities in 2024 for the fifth consecutive year? According to NCRB data, the national capital reported 109 incidents involving 111 victims. At the same time, Bengaluru recorded the highest number of cases registered under the Dowry Prohibition Act among metro cities. It was 878 cases in 2024, accounting for nearly 87% of all dowry-related complaints reported across the metro cities. India's highest court is now sounding the alarm. The Supreme Court recently flagged Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Karnataka as states where dowry deaths continue to remain deeply worrying despite stricter laws and rising education levels among women. The observations came in a recent dowry death case from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, where the Supreme Court cancelled the bail granted to an accused husband and called for stricter scrutiny in such cases. Even as the court made those remarks, two disturbing cases involving women from the same state once again brought national attention to the issue. In Bhopal, 33-year-old Twisha Sharma, who was originally from Noida, was found hanging in her matrimonial home in Katara Hills on May 12. According to police, she had met her husband through a dating app in 2024 and married in December 2025. In one of the chats reported by the Times of India, Twisha allegedly told a friend that she felt trapped in the marriage. Her family has accused her lawyer husband and mother-in-law of dowry harassment. The mother-in-law is a retired judge. Police formed a special investigation team to probe allegations of dowry harassment and assault. While the AIIMS Bhopal postmortem said Twisha died by hanging, it also noted injury marks on her body. Her family has demanded a second autopsy and refused to perform the last rites pending further investigation. Just days later, on May 17, in Greater Noida, 24-year-old Deepika allegedly jumped to her death from the roof of her house in the Ecotech 3 area. Police said Deepika had been married for around 14 months and was allegedly harassed over dowry demands that included a Fortuner car and 50 lakh rupees. Deepika's father said the wedding cost nearly ₹1 crore. After her death, police found injury marks on her body and arrested her husband Hrithik and father-in-law Manoj based on a complaint filed by her father. These two recent cases have once again exposed how dowry-related violence cuts across cities, classes and professions. The law against dowry in India is strict on paper. Under Section 80 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, a dowry death case is registered if a woman dies under unnatural circumstances within 7 years of marriage and there is evidence of dowry harassment shortly before her death. The offence can lead to a minimum punishment of at least 7 years in prison, which may extend to life imprisonment. The Dowry Prohibition Act also makes giving, taking or demanding dowry a punishable offence. But despite laws, arrests and awareness campaigns, these cases continue to surface year after year. Investigators and women's rights activists have repeatedly pointed to prolonged domestic abuse, pressure from in-laws, and the social acceptance of dowry demands as key reasons behind such crimes.